Today, I'll show you how to forward your Bluehost email to Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to send emails from your Bluehost address directly inside Gmail, so you don't have to keep switching between inboxes. This is especially helpful if you use your Bluehost email for business, but prefer the convenience and interface of Gmail. First, make sure you're on a computer, not a phone or tablet, because we'll be using the full Gmail settings menu. Open your browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner for the small gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it and a panel will slide open. From there, choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page with multiple tabs across the top. Next, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import and click on it. This is where Gmail lets you manage other email addresses you own and how you send mail from them. You'll see several sections on this page, but the one we care about is called Send Mail As. This is what allows you to send messages from your Bluehost address while still using Gmail. In the Send Mail As section, click on the link that says Add Another Email Address. A small window will pop up asking for some details. In the first box, type the name you want people to see when they receive an email from you. This could be your personal name or your business name. In the next box, enter your full Bluehost email address exactly as it was created in your hosting account. Below that, you'll see an option that says Treat as an alias. Leave this checked. For most users, this is the correct choice because it tells Gmail that this is simply another address that belongs to you, not a completely separate user. Click Next, and now Gmail will ask for your outgoing mail server settings. This is where we connect Gmail to your Bluehost account so it can send emails on its behalf. In the SMTP server field, type the mail server address that matches your domain in the format mail.yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual website domain, the same one you used for your Bluehost email. For the port, you'll see a drop-down menu. You can choose either port 465, which uses SSL, or port 587, which uses TLS. Both are secure options commonly supported by Bluehost. If you're not sure which to use, start with 465, and if that doesn't work later, you can come back and switch to 587. In the username field, enter your full Bluehost email address again. This is important. Don't just type the part before the @ symbol, include the full address. For the password field, enter the password you use to log into that Bluehost email account. Make sure you type it carefully because a wrong password will prevent the connection from working. Once all of that is filled in, double check that everything looks correct, then click Add Account. Gmail will attempt to connect to your Bluehost server using the details you provided. If everything is correct, your Bluehost email will now be added as a sending address in Gmail, and you'll be able to compose new messages and choose that address in the From field when you send emails.